Now let's talk about traversing tries. There are basically two ways to traverse a try. We can do a pre-order traversal or a post-order traversal. With pre-order traversal, we visit each node first before we visit its children. With post-order traversal, we go deep in the try, start from the leaf nodes, and then come back up. Let me show you. So here I'm going to declare another method, public void traverse. This is our public method that's going to kick off the recursion. We also need a private method, private void traverse, that gets a node object. Okay. Now, in this public method, we're going to call traverse and give it the root of our try. Now, if you want to do a pre-order traversal, we should visit the root first. In this case, we can simply print its value on the terminal. So root.value. Now we need to visit each child of the root node. Now here's the interesting part. In tries, unlike binary trees, we don't have left and right children. Each node can have many children, as many as 26 children. So we should visit each of them one by one, starting from the left. Now, here we need to go back to our node class and add a new service for getting all the children of a node. So public node array get children. Now here we return children.values. Now this method will return a collection of nodes, but we want an array of nodes because they're easier to work with. So after we call the values method, we call the toArray method to convert the result to an array. However, this method will return an array of objects. Take a look. It returns an array of objects, but we want an array of nodes. To fix that, we need to pass an empty node array to this method. So new node array of 0. We're simply telling this method, hey, I want you to put this result in a node array. Okay. Now back to our traverse method. We want to visit each child of the current node. So we do a for each loop for each child in root.getChildren. We're going to call the traverse method and give it this new child. So here we are doing a pre-order traversal because we're visiting the root node first and then its children. Okay. Now back to the main class. So in this try, we have only one word, care. When we call try.traverse, we see each character printed in the order. So care. If we do a post-order traversal, these characters are going to come out in reverse order. Let me show you. So back to the try class, I'm going to move this for loop up. So we visit the children first and then the root node. This is post-order traversal. Now when we run the program, we see the characters in the reverse order. Now why does this matter? Well, if you want to print all the words in a try, we have to do a pre-order traversal. But if you want to delete a word, we have to do a post-order traversal because we have to start from the leaf and then go all the way up. We'll talk about it next.